plan of subject according to this is of ELA 1, okay? And the topic is language and literacy. Sight words, according to sight words. Here is one target. Use main words from the core text and frequently use sight words with understanding. Then we make learning outcome, make relevant contributions, use sight words in sentences by completing a workbook page. Then we divided into 5 categories: content and teacher activity, student activity, time, learning materials, and then formative assessment. In first content, the content and teacher activity. How are you explaining and demonstrating the topic? The teaching strategies, methodology selected. In this one, content and teacher activity. In this one, content and teacher activity, we will came to know that what are the teacher strategies and what are the methodologies used in teaching. Okay? First of all, the teacher will give the recap. In this one, instructors will ask the date and day, and the kids will be asked about what they learned yesterday. Okay? Then what is the next step is WALT. It is what we learn. In what we learn, they will tell that about some sight words. The students will tell us about the sight words. Then it comes, Ma'am Farhat, please scroll down.
Ms. Rumana, this type of planner will take a lot of time. It will not be executed in 40 minutes.
I know.
Recap. First of all, when we recap, good morning everyone. How are you all?
Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. What is the day today?
Bad day.
Bad day. Oh, bad day. All right. But today is the happiest day of my life, right? Because we are having chit chat with each other and we are having some learning tab over there, and we are here to learn more and more, right? And you should be happy. Show me your happy face. Show me your teeth. Yes. Yes. Okay. And what is the day today? Wednesday. And the date? 10th June 2026. Is this your birthday? Mina's birthday. Yeah. And today is Mina's birthday. Say happy birthday to Mina. Yes. Have a blessed day and a blessed future. And we always pray. You're learning, but we learned
Yesterday was our birthday.
Clap for her. She told me right answer, right? In this way, we can capture the attention of the student, and we are having the friendly atmosphere in the class, and like a good coordination with the kids. Then the kids are ready to learn, and they will tell you about what we are learning. They will guess. Did you remember what we did yesterday and what we are learning too? Vault. Now we are coming to the point. Vault means what we are learning too. Can you guess what we are learning today? What we are supposed to learn? What they did yesterday, they will link the topic in the mind. We learned nouns. We might learn common noun today. We might learn proper noun today, because we learned noun yesterday, and in the progression we will learn common noun or proper noun. So some kids will tell you the right answer and some kids will tell you the wrong answer. Then the teacher will tell, okay, I will tell you what we are learning too. Then she will write the topic over here, and the next part, teacher exposition. Teacher exposition means teacher will tell you the topic, and she will brainstorm, and she will draw some question and write some question to the student, and they will answer. This is called brainstorming, and this is called prior knowledge. Teacher is giving prior knowledge to the kids, then she will explain what to do, this is the topic and we are learning to and what we are supposed to do. Then the teacher will go to the child and child will do something. Like activity based learning, the child will come accordingly. Like if I am teaching noun, for example, I am teaching noun, common noun or proper noun, and I am supposed to arrange some activity regarding this. Some, you can say, real-based learning. Like, what is your name? Father. Like, she is having her own name, everything is having the specific name, and everyone is having the identity. The name needs your identity. Then in progression, common noun, proper noun, which is everything. Then she can arrange some group activities, some individual activity. So in the progression, we are just going to this. This is yearly lesson plan. In this way, we are going to make the lesson plan of SST, science, OD as well. Every lesson will be managed like this, but numeracy lesson is something different. First important thing, do you know what I am learning here? Blue. Who is blue? Did you know? Who is blue? Blue. Did you hear the name of blue? Blue. But who is blue? Educationist. He was the educationist, and he had given, you can say, the policy of education, Bloom taxonomy. And do you know the step of Bloom taxonomy? First of all, tell me the steps. How many steps? No. No 5, no 7. There are 6 steps. 6 steps. The first step is remember. Then, what comes after remember? The first thing, at the first step we remember, then understand. Yes, right. After remember, understand, then. No. Don't check the mobile. Just because you're learning, no cheating, guys. No cheating. No cheating. Just tell me. Because you're learning, I told you in my previous workshops, when I had given the workshop, I explained all the steps, but we didn't practice. So that we forget all the things. Okay? So this is your, basically, practice makes man perfect. So we need practice to recall or to retain the things in our mind. Practice needs. So the first step is remember. We are human. So we need practice. Time to time, intermittent practice we should do. When we learn something time to time, at weekend कभी recall कर लिया करें चीजें, हमारे mind में चीजें refresh रहती हैं, ठीक है? The first thing is remember, understand, apply. No, not create. Create तो हम bend पे जाएंगे, create करने. सबसे उसे creation से पहले बहुत कुछ है. Remember, understand and apply. पहले remember कर लिया, understand कर लिया, ठीक है? और उसको apply कर लिया. Then what should we do? Analyze, right? What comes after analyzation? After analyzation, we evaluate. There is a slight difference between analyze and evaluate. And after evaluation, we will create. There are 6 steps. At that time when I was doing Montessori teachers training workshop, I learned 3-period lesson. 3-period lesson को ही अब एडवांसमेंट में ब्लू टैक्सोनॉमी का नाम दिया गया है. So in detail 6 स्टेप्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया है. इसके 3 स्टेप्स थे, उसको हम 3 पीरियड लेसन बोलते थे अर्लियर टीचिंग में. ठीक है. इन द अर्लियर टीचिंग द फर्स्ट स्टेप वॉज रिमेंबर. ठीक है. देन रिपीट, देन कन्फर्म. सब ये 3 स्टेप होते थे. इन्हीं के आगे सब स्टेप्स हैं. ठीक है. रिमेंबर को अंडरस्टैंड के साथ अटैच करती हूँ. ठीक है. उसके बाद अप्लाई, देन एनालाइज, एवेल्युएट एंड क्रिएट. हर स्टेप के साथ सब स्टेप्स हैं. राइट. तो 3 पीरियड लेसन, we can implement 3 period lesson in early years, and in PYPs we can go for the 6 steps. ठीक है. क्योंकि इतने अर्ली बर्ड्स जो है ना वो 6 स्टेप्स तक ज़रा बड़ा डिफिकल्ट है बच्चे का पहुंचना. ठीक है. हम 1 ऑनवर्ड अप्लाई करेंगे ब्लूम टैक्सोनॉमी को. उसमें ये ब्लूम टैक्सोनॉमी के जो स्टेप्स होते हैं ये लेसन प्लान में आते हैं. ठीक है.
ये मैंने पूछा है कि आपने खुद तो नहीं बंद की.
After that we can turn off. अगर आपने कैप्शन करना है. We will follow Bloom taxonomy, and Bloom taxonomy has 6 stages. Basically, this is called stages. The first stage is remember. The second stage is understand. The third stage is apply, and the fourth stage is analyze. The fifth stage is evaluate, then create. Right. So gradually we will make the student understand, remember, then understand, then they will apply the learning. ठीक है. After that kids will analyze the work and evaluate, then they will create something new. So your lesson plan should be on this page. ठीक है. This is for the ELA, ULA, SST, science, each and everything. But in maths there is a great difference. ठीक है. In the maths I will introduce you in my previous workshop, if you remember, CPA approach. Did you remember CPA approach? What is the full form of CPA? Yes, very good. Clap for Maria. In maths, we are supposed to go on concrete. Concrete means, who will explain the step of concrete? Yes, who will tell? Yes, Maria? You told me the steps, CPA, the full form of CPA. Then you will explain the first stage concrete. What does it mean, concrete? You can touch, basically hands-on experience. Concrete, yeah. Concrete means hands-on experience. Like according to the topic, what activity we have arranged. Okay? Like if you are teaching the numbers. So, what will be the concrete steps?
Objects will be given them.
Which object you will give?
Like you can be pencil, they can be dogs, erasers.
Number rods, simple. You can go to the number rods and they can touch and feel the steps, because in number rods we are having 2 colors, red and blue. According to the color, kids will identify the difference between even and odd. The color shows the difference between even and odd. This is called the concrete step, then pictorial. After that, what we will do? In the lesson 10, did you observe the pictorial part? Through the flashcard, through the picture, through the video. Basically, you all are supposed in the upcoming session, you will add one video in every lesson. In this way, you can better explain the topic, the things you want to explain to the kids. So, you will add something new in the lesson 10, any YouTube link, or you can make your own online worksheets, and you can work on Padlets, you can work on Visor, you can go to the advancement. Okay? I will tell you how to make the Padlet wall and how to make the Visor, जो इसकी website है, each and everything I will tell you about how to do this and how to add this live worksheet. Did you work on live worksheet? Did you know? about how to work on live worksheets, live dot worksheets. Very easy. Online. Online. Basically, online worksheet means that you are giving the additional knowledge to the child. ठीक है? Earlier one maybe you can use the live worksheets, like they can use the mobile in the positive way. Every child is using the gadgets. Every 1, 2, 3, even 1 onward, every child is using the gadget at home. Every child is busy to use the mother's mobile and watching absurdities, watching the different videos and different cartoons. They are basically spoiling the kids. But when they will do the live worksheet, they will indulge and busy in the positive way. They can use the gadget but in the positive way. Okay? So in upcoming session we will add some live worksheet and we will go for the Padlet wall. It is very good but it will be implemented 1 or 2 onwards. मन के बच्चे भी कर सकते हैं, no problem. But first of all you should be having a hands-on experience on it. In the summer break you will work on it. ठीक है, आप डिफरेंट जो ये लिंक्स हैं ना ये पे काम करेंगे. मैं आपको नेम्स बताऊंगी सबके. ठीक है, मैं आपको इसकी डिटेल सेंड करूंगी कि कौन कौन से जो हम ऑनलाइन चीज़ों पे काम कर सकते हैं, इनके ऊपर वर्क करें. हमारा बेसिकली जो गूगल है ना, इट इज़ अ रियली वास्ट थिंग. इस पर इतने फीचर्स हैं कि हम गूगल से ही बाय नहीं कर सकते. सबसे पहले तो आप गूगल शीट पे काम करें. गूगल पे आप अपना ई फोलियो बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें मैं आपको सब, अगर हमारा ये 1 वीक और एक्सटेंड होता है ना, तो मैं आपको गूगल पे आपके अपने ई फोलियोज, ऑनलाइन ई फोलियोज बनाना सिखाऊंगी. इतने फिजिबल है वो आपके लिए. आपने कहीं पे भी अपनी CV ड्रॉप करनी है, आप उसका एक लिंक अटैच करें. कुछ भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. एवरीथिंग शुड बी इन योर ई फोलियोज. और आपकी हर चीज़ रिकॉर्ड होती है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए. उसमें डेल नहीं होती. आपकी अपनी चीज़ें कभी भी आपसे ज़ाया नहीं होगी. हमारे कोई डॉक्यूमेंट कहाँ पड़े, घर में भी वी ऑलवेज बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू फाइंड मेरा ये वाला सर्टिफिकेट की तरह, तो मेरा वो वाला सर्टिफिकेट आराम से उसका कैन स्कैन करें, उसकी पिक्चर अपलोड करें. आप कुछ जो एक्स्ट्रा है ना उन्हें स्पैम कर दें. सिंपल.
I don't have anything, just these type of mails or something like this in my phone. But it is continuously sending the message that Google
बहुत आते हैं एक्स्ट्रा, लेकिन उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप उसको अनसब्सक्राइब कर दें. मैंने इतनी जो कि अपने वीकेंड में बैठ के अनसब्सक्राइब किया और फिर इसकी मेमोरी को निकालते रहते हैं. इसमें इश्यू नहीं है. ये जो ई फोलियो है वो मेमोरी नहीं दे देता. ई फोलियो पर वर्क जरूर करें. गूगल पे मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे हम ई फोलियो पर अपना वर्क कर सकते हैं. हर टीचर अपना एक ई फोलियो क्रिएट करें. मैं अगर यहाँ पर मेरी मेल ओपन, लेकिन आपको अपना ई फोलियो दिखाती हूँ. अभी वो फुली मेंटेन तो नहीं है, लेकिन काफ़ी हद तक मेंटेन है. बहुत फ़ायदा रहता है आपको ई फोलियो का. ठीक है, फर्स्ट चले कम टू द पॉइंट. What does it mean of abstract? What is the third and last step of abstract?
there is